Hey, what's up guys? Many of you have been commenting asking about this Panigale Heat issue, and you've been asking me if the 23 model has the same issue, or is it just the V2 or the V4? No. As far as I heard, they all have the same issue. Mine had that issue. I took care of it. I did tons of research, and even before I get the Panigale, I heard a lot of people were saying, yeah man, everything is good about Panigales, they only have that heat issue. I said, no problem, we're gonna fix it. And I fixed it. I'm even gonna make a video for after taking care of the heat issue. I'm gonna do a review and I'm gonna let you know that it actually worked. Stay tuned. And another thing is, people were saying, not many people, the company that is providing certain stuff to taking care of the heat issue were saying, yeah, any person with like basic tools, with like basic knowledge, in 30-40 minutes you can take care of it. That's false. I'm not agree to it. It took almost 6 hours to take care of the whole thing because there are a lot of details into it. Be patient. If you don't feel like that's the day to finish your project, don't finish it. It might take a day or two even. Be patient, go slow, little by little, step by step. The video might be like 7-8 minutes video, but it took at least 6 hours to take care of everything. And I'm very happy with the result. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Let's get to it. Already prepared everything. First, this is what they're asking to do: bask in the beauty of your motorcycle for several minutes before beginning to tear it apart. Run the fuel tank to the near empty to ease installation. Obviously, I didn't know about this. My tank, either in bikes or car, it's always full. Remove the 2 highlighted screws from the rear of the seat. Let's get to that part. This is kind of, I wouldn't say it's weird. It's like it's placed in a very bad spot. I would say it's so tight. It's right here, but it's not gonna stop us from doing it. It's just weird. Let's take care of this. Okay. Make sure we don't lose the screw. Boom. So I'm gonna place it right here, not lose it. Let's go take care of the second one. Okay. Now it says remove the seat by sliding it forward and upward. Means I'm gonna slide and upward. Boom. Oh my god, aren't you the genius? So the one thing I was worried about, and I was a little nervous that I might not figure it out, there were some parts that I was worried that I might not be able to figure it out, and I thought maybe these are extras. Okay, this is gonna be the one of the parts, the heat shield part. It's gonna go here. There is another one. I'm still gonna figure it out. Boom! There you go. See? Look, guys. One thing I'm gonna tell you. I'm just gonna place it. I still wanna figure it out. There's a small. It's gonna go here. No. Because unfortunately, it wasn't mentioned over there. There you go. Another part gonna go here. I still need to figure out this. I feel, oh my god, yes. This is where it goes. Good, guys, check this out. Just like that. So, because you know the heat gonna come through here, right here. So this is gonna prevent it. Now, how are we gonna place it? I just wanted to know how I'm gonna be able to put them in the right spot. Now, see, in the back, we're gonna peel this out. Sorry for my hurt finger. I almost cut it with a saw. but I'm fine. I'm so excited for this, guys. I was so, I don't know, like worried because, you know, I love this bike. Like I love motorcycles, I love cars, but every time you want to do something for the first time, you kind of, I wouldn't say worried, you're always gonna figure it out. Plus, we're living in a world of technology. You can do a quick, like a research, and just figure it out. But I still was worried, what if? All those what ifs gonna put negativity in your life. So always have confidence. First, one of the things can boost your confidence and give you confidence. Remember, God is great. Ask Him for guidance and help. He's gonna provide everything for you. So hey, next time, before you start anything, especially start saying something negative, say, please help me, God. Please have my back, and everything's gonna go smoothly. There you go. Make sure it's nice and neat. I'm still praying, trust me. Just want to make sure it's gonna be something nice, something neat. Hey, nothing's gonna happen by accident. You gotta do stuff to master it, to become perfect. Always put God in everything, anything. Then believe in yourself. Confidence is a big fact for everything. Now I'm gonna place this little one over here. God is great. There you go. Now I'm gonna put this big fella. Let's see. Is there a difference if we put it this way or the other way? Yes, so you have to. So this big part gonna go here. I'm so happy, so excited, so excited. I hope you guys are enjoying this, because I'm enjoying it, especially once I be able to overcome that heat issue, because I love these motorcycles. I love Italian products. I mean, I still like Harleys. I still like I love motorcycles. I know some of you are fan of Harleys. So guys, one thing that I don't see it over here, it didn't mention, which is kind of sad. I'm glad I just didn't do it in a blind way. I knew it's gonna be a little more complicated than that. There's a little screw down here. In order for me to release the whole thing, I have to open this little screw underneath of the headlight. So that's that. Be careful, please be careful. Let's see if this is a good fit. No. Okay guys, I removed one side panel and I'm gonna tell you it wasn't easy. It was pretty challenging, and these are the screws. You can count them. There are many screws. There's a lot of detail into this. Just one side. Then I have to remove the other side, then remove the tank. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let me tell you something. Before I start doing this, take care of this heat shift problem, when I was reading different stuff, I was doing research, they were saying, oh, 30-40 minutes, someone with like a basic knowledge, basic tool can take care of this. I'm gonna tell you right now, that's the biggest lie I ever heard and read, because it's been taking some hours. So if you ever want to do it by yourself and it's your first time, take a day, take your time. There are going to be a lot of details in these motorcycles. You don't want to break anything, you don't want to rush to anything. I know you get excited, you want to just finish it soon, turn it on, see if the heat thing works or not, but take your time. There are going to be a lot of screws, a lot of details, a lot of little stuff. Okay, look at this beauty. Guys, it's so interesting. First of all, I didn't like the fact that it's plastic. Soon I will upgrade the whole thing with a carbon fiber, so it means I'm gonna go through a lot of headaches soon. But there were zero installation, like it was nothing in between this low cover and the engine. So obviously that's why you feel the heat. Same thing, you see the seat over here? There was nothing. So I'm sure this is gonna make a big difference. Like whatever, even if it's like 20, 30, 40%, it's still better than nothing. But I heard a lot of reviews that people are saying it works. So I'm hoping it's gonna work. Yep, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the other side, the left side. Again, be really super duper patient, because this is gonna take time. You're gonna sweat a lot. This is how it's gonna look like. And let me show you the other side. This is the other side. It's different. Like you're gonna see the left side is kind of like a sunglasses thing. It's like a glasses thing, or anything you can name it. This wasn't easy. This was super challenging, I guess. I mean, it's not that challenging. Just like you don't want to make a mistake. You don't want to break anything, and you want to make sure you will be able to put it together. Okay, guys, this is finally over. Finished everything. I still feel like I didn't put the seat down properly. I might have to adjust that. Other than that, I think I did a pretty good job. I haven't turned it on yet. Gonna take a break. I believe I spent, I would say easily 5 or 6 hours, easily. Not exaggerating, yeah, say 3, yesterday, yeah, another, I'll say like easily 5-6 hours, and it's finally done. When I turn it on, I'm gonna let you know what was the result.